Dear computer students of class 8, I, Sir Indrajit Mitra, today will discuss the objectives exercise given in page 147 and 148. See, this chapter 6 I have already discussed in the previous videos before the summer holidays. So today I'll discuss all these objectives. But before that, you have to submit your computer copies and the project copies, so make sure you complete your work. Chapter 1 exercise given at the back, objectives, subjective, long answers, followed by the extra questions which I had given you. Similar way for chapter 2 also, the back exercises, that is objectives, and the subjectives, that is short answers, long answers, are to be written in your computer classwork copy, as well as the extra questions I had given. So chapter 1, chapter 2, and this chapter 6. So chapter 6 objectives are to be written in your computer classwork copy, and on the specified day make sure you submit your computer copies. Okay, thank you. Now I'm going to discuss in the next slide. Okay, so the first is the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, a system of interconnecting computers is known as computer network. Second, cloud computing means storing, accessing information over the internet other than hard drive of your system. Third, coaxial telephone cable sends analog signals during the data transmission. Fourth, protocol is a set of rules and procedures to establish a link between the sender and the receiver. Fifth, in a star topology, the host computer is connected to local computers. Sixth, a combination of different types of network is known as hybrid network. Seventh, Wi-Fi means it's a wireless data transmission. Eighth, a digital signals works on discrete data which has which states only two conditions. Ninth, in a star topology, the local computers are connected to host computers. And the last one, that is 10th one, Internet Protocol provides the path through which a message travels from source to destination. I hope all these fill in the blanks are clear. All these 10 fill in the blanks, make sure you also write in your computer classwork copy. Okay, now uh, second question, state whether the following statements are true or false. Modulation. First one, modulation is the process of converting analog signals to digital signals. False. There is second, there is no difference between analog signal and a digital signal. False. Third, a medium carries the transmitted message to the destination. It's true. A modem converts only analog signals to digital signals. False. Fifth, IP address is the unique address to a computer by the ISP. It's true. Sixth one, switch is a medium, is defined as a collection of buttons in a network system. False. Seventh, Bluetooth is one of the means of communication protocol. Yes, it's true. Okay. Now, now write the full form of third. Write the full form of the following. First, Internet Message Access Protocol. Second, Digital Subscriber Line. Third, General Packet radio signals. Fourth, personal area network. Fifth, universal serial bus. Sixth, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Seventh, simple mail transfer protocol. Eighth, hypertext transfer protocol. Ninth, domain name server. And the last one, transmission control protocol. I hope all these 10 abbreviations are correct, and I hope you have found the answers. Okay, now we come to the fourth one. Name the following three elements of communication system: network, transmission media, transmission signals. Right? Second, three types of communication protocols: broadband, Wi-Fi system, and Bluetooth. Fine. Okay. Third one, three types of network topologies: star, ring, and hybrid topologies. Fourth, three types of network components: sender, medium, and receiver. Fifth, three types of computer networks. We have personal area network, then local area network, and the third, campus area network. Now we come to the last one, three types of cables used in data transmission: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber cable. So these are the answers for the objectives. Make sure make sure you write all these answers in your copy. You can take the screenshot of it, and this will be present in your WhatsApp group for your future reference. Okay. Okay, I hope no, you have to write it in the computer copy and submit on time. Thank you. Zara.